Hey there boys and girls, my name's Kyle, better known on the YouTubes as Blendcraft, and today I'm going to be talking about interaction design. And we're mostly going to be focusing on interactive design for web design and digital device experiences, but you can probably get something out of this even if you're not really interested in designing websites or any type of digital experience. So before we really jump into the series and I start talking about specific theories and ways of thinking for design, Let's take a step back and actually figure out what the heck interaction design is and why it's important for you to know. So basically, in order to create a good product, a good user experience, you have to have great interaction design, great content, and great visual design. Those are like the three main components. You have UI, user interface, or visual design, UX, which is your user experience, which is the overall experience of your product, and then you have IxD, which is interaction design. There's this handy dandy little Venn diagram that kind of explains how everything interacts with each other and how they're related. So as you can see, the user experience design, it pretty much encompasses everything. So all these things need to be great in order to create a good user experience design. Pretty much the only thing that your interaction design isn't going to be touching is your content. But other than that, you can see anything from architecture to information architecture, visual design, human-computer interaction, sound design, industrial design, and human factors. That all comes into what's known as interaction design. Which kind of leads us to what the definition is. Interaction design is pretty much just an umbrella term often used for higher education and industry use, and it basically just means that anything that is going to be interacted with falls within the interactive design realm. Basically, interaction design is one of the design subsets that can be described as the design of digital devices, interfaces, and interaction of the user and said design. You can see interaction design from anything from a website you're using or building to a physical product that you're using, such as a coffee cup. If it's something you're going to interact with, that means it has properties of interaction design to it. Pretty much the formula I go off of is good visual design plus good interaction design is going to equal a great user experience. And at the end of the day, that's what you're really going for. You're not designing a website, you're not creating an animation for some type of advertisement. You're trying to create a better user experience for whoever the end user is. In the next episode, we'll start talking about activating compositional space. Until then, my name's Kyle, you learned something cool today, and I'll see you next time.